Hi everyone, it's Matt at Ghost Bikes. This video we're looking at the Black Optimus II Infinity flip front motorcycle helmet. Now the Infinity graphic is one of the latest designs that's been applied to the Optimus II helmet. The Optimus II upholds our goal of premium quality riding gear without having to break the bank. Now the great thing about the Optimus II is that it's dual homologated, which means you can ride with it flipped up or flipped down as long as it's locked into position. The flip button is at the front. The helmet itself, it features drop down sun visor, which using the slider at the side operates that. The visor, scratch resistant and pinlock ready. We sell the pinlock inserts, you can get those from us, we keep those in stock. Multi-position. You've got venting to the front and up at the top. Fastening, micrometric quick release buckle. And underneath you can see you've got a nice snug neck and removable chin curtain. Keeps the air out, keeps that wind out. Now the Infinity comes in two different graphic colours. You've got the matte black high vis and you've got the gloss black white. The MSRP is $94.99. We do replacement visors for this as well. Keep those in stock. Get yours from Ghost Bikes today.